Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use coin on Lazada. So to use coins on Lazada, you need to use a Lazada application on your phone because it's more convenient rather than on website. So open your Lazada application first, and then what you can see is in your account section, click here. And then in the left corner, you can see coins. Okay, so click it and what you're gonna see next is these are the coins that you have. So currently I have 220 coins. So is total equal with 22 bird. So under the card, if I want to purchase something with coin, I can get discount because the coin totally apply to my voucher codes and I already get discount like that. So like start with this one. So if I choose this one to buy, click buy now. And then what you're gonna see next is 21 coin auto apply to my um project. So what can I do next is 21 coin is equal with 2.1 BEF. So this is how to apply coins on Lazada. In some case, if you have a loss of coin, you can also exchange with Lazada wallet and you can buy other product with your Lazada wallet. So if you have a loss of coin, I recommend you to exchange to your Lazada wallet and you can buy other kinds of things. Or not if you have a very few coin. So what you can do is you can get discount from here. So this is how to use coins on Lazada. Thank you guys. See you next video.